All right, everybody, welcome back here to the channel. Since we last talked about Blackberry, it is setting new 52-week highs. Blackberry stock, BB stock, is trending higher again today, and we're here to break down exactly why, what's happening with this stock, what the trajectory looks like. We're covering all things related to the AI trade, robotics, memory, physical AI, space, anything that's new tech related. We're covering it right here on this channel. And if you want to get in the know, make sure you follow this page, subscribe right now, and make sure you do not miss a video that we put out. Blackberry stock is trending higher. I just talked about this stock when it was crossing over $9. We made a good options play on Blackberry. We're in here at an average cost on the spot market at $7.45. You can see it right here. We're up 76% on this play already. The AI trade is zooming on. Despite what all the naysayers are saying, there are tons of opportunities to outperform the likes of NVIDIA and AMD right now. Finding the ancillary pieces is how you do it. And I want to get into what's going on with Blackberry. Shares are moving higher here this week. And analyst Paul Treber kept a sector perform rating and raised his target from $4.50 to $9 after the firm reviewed Blackberry's first quarter results and the company's updated outlook. That's when the stock started moving higher. And Blackberry had a massive first quarter revenue up 26% year over year. And QNX is the reason why. And QNX revenue rose 26% year over year to $72 million, above RBC's $62 million estimate and consensus at $63 million. The note says Blackberry's now trading at 9.6x next 12-month EV sales, near the top of its 5-year range, and it's 112% premium to auto tech peers. First quarter revenue climbed, and the big reason why is because of QNX. Now, QNX has quite a bit to do with the success. If we use ChatGPT, I can show you a little bit right here. Blackberry says QNX software is embedded in more than 275 million vehicles worldwide. It powers systems such as digital dashboards, infotainment, advanced driver assistance systems, digital cockpits, autonomous driving functions. And NVIDIA is partnered up with Blackberry now. And this is where I think the story got really interesting for Blackberry earlier this year. NVIDIA still needs an operating system underneath for safety critical applications. That's where QNX comes in. The companies have expanded their collaboration so QNX integrates with NVIDIA IGX Thor and the NVIDIA Halo safety system. The stack looks something like this: application, AI models, NVIDIA compute, QNX operating system, vehicle and robot hardware. This is why robotics is such a big part of my portfolio now too. Without a reliable operating system underneath, you can't certify many safety critical AI applications. So there's no doubt about it that Blackberry has become part of this AI trade, and it really feeds into physical AI and where things are going. You look at robo strategy over the last month, it's now up 71%. We're in on this play as well. This is going to be a long-term play. We're going to be adding more and more to this position. I'm being patient with trying to get a good average cost because it's so damn early right now. This thing just came out in May, but the Blackberry trade continues to roll on. And you could see here on the weekly performance, what we've seen here, just insane growth. This is the weekly outlook. Going back to March of this year, this stock was trading under $5. Now you could see what it's doing now. I mean, it's just absolutely sending higher here on the weekly. Blackberry rallies after Q1. Zach's put out a pretty good article here. Is the stock still attractive? I think it is. I certainly think it is. Can Blackberry's QNX and secure comms growth drive further gains? You know, when you zoom out on Blackberry, you'll see kind of a story that is pretty interesting. Go out to the 5-year. This is the highest the stock has traded in the last 5 years. Okay. And the reason for this is there's so much renewed interest now. But if you zoom out to the max, I mean, look where this stock was in 2008. Now, obviously, that was a totally different business model. But in the AI trade, I mean, this could certainly trade higher for longer as the AI trade continues to go on. And I think we're still early innings. I've talked about this, quite a bit. about the AI trade. I don't think it's almost over. Will there be some pullbacks? Of course there will be. There always will be. But I think BlackBerry, as long as they're tied to some big, companies like NVIDIA, and they're creating a solution with QNX, this company's not going away. They're just finding their footing now in an AI world. And we're going to continue to track price action of this stock, of course. And if you guys do want to get out ahead of the next big breakthrough stock, like we found with, BlackBerry here, since the momentum up here using our trading indicator, we're up 170% when this thing was trading down here well under $7. And the tools that I'm using, they're at a 35% discount for the month of July right now. And you can find all of this at xtalgo.com. I'll leave a link down below. We have a 30-day free trial. You could try it risk-free. I walk you through how to set it all up. It is a manual trading indicator that's going to have a lot built into it to help you make better moves when you're trading and when you're finding undervalued stock plays and things that are getting ready to burst into price discovery mode. So make sure you guys do lock in, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you all for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.